Scroll. What if there's any nudity on this? I might not be able to show this. It's kind of nudity, but kind of not. What am I supposed to do with these things? Put them in a picture frame and put them in a dollhouse? Let's see. That's cute. That's from an anime called No Game, No Life. I dig it. It's rather small, though, but it's cool. And once again, it's that plastic material. Okay, the other thing I've gotten here is poster. Fair enough. Let's see. Oh my god, that's gross. Yeah, I just cut into this box and made an incision like through the tape, and the box crushed, and I got like this horrible whiff out of it. It just smelled like so plasticky, chemically. Ugh. Okay, yeah, I think I know what this is. Yes, it is. I thought I ordered 3 different types, but I think I only ordered 2. The first one is up here, obviously, as you can see. This would be the second style. Accidentally popped a cap off the side. Wait, no? Yes, I did. There it is. Boop. Okay. This would be one other different Nanachi wall scroll. And I got this one, well, duh, because it's cute, but also because the theme of it. Her cooking is absolutely terrible in the anime, and it just seemed like it was so appropriate to put this in my kitchen. It's kind of a washed out look. It's a very washed out look compared to the other one, but it is made of the same fake plastic. Yeah, let me go put this up. Yeah, that's pretty cute. It just seems so appropriate. Just this horrible, horrible stuff cooking. Pretty much in the anime, everything she makes, she gets all the good ingredients and everything, but she just puts them in a bowl and jams them all up. And like mushes them into one big pile of goo. Which is hilarious. Yep, Nanachi wall scroll number 2. There's a third one I want where it's her and Mitty, but Mitty's like a human girl. Like, well, not a human, but kind of like deformed like she is. Like a, you know, not a blob. I'm gonna go see if there's any more mail. I don't think there is, so that might be it for the video.